So you might be in a position where you're wanting to go ahead and basically save your Excel sheet as a PDF file. So you might be trying to go through and trying to find a way for you to go through and export this particular sheet as a PDF. Now to do this, it's actually very, very easy. It doesn't really take too much time. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the top left corner right up here where it shows File. So right here, there's going to be a little File option that basically shows up. And all you're going to want to do is basically click onto the File option. Then at this point, you're going to see a couple of things. You're going to see New, Open, Share. You're going to want to go ahead and click on the Export button that shows up right here. So you want to click on here and you want to click on Export. And all you're going to want to do is you want to highlight over and click on the Download as PDF button. So right here, all we did was go into the File dropdown, click on Export right here, and click Download as PDF. So now what's going to happen is it's going to give us the option of basically downloading our Excel workbook as a PDF file. So now what we can do is we can go ahead and use this whichever way you want to. But what we want to do is we want to click on the Download button that's in the top right corner. So click on Download, and it's going to start downloading your particular workbook as a PDF file. So now you can go ahead and basically open it, download it, whatever way you want to do with it. And that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.